Okay, yeah, we are home. It is already, yeah, almost 3 o'clock, and I'm going to cook food. Yeah, I don't know what, but yeah, I still have the rice here. Maybe prawns. I still have this prawn, or noodles. I have this ramen noodles. Also this. I don't know. I need to go to the toilet first. It was a success. Already at 3 o'clock. Oh, this one. Yeah, I'm going to cook a soup. Yeah, and I have this kind of miso soup. Put here. I'm going to put it now. I will be just waiting for that to boil and will be ready. And today I will make sure that I will upload a video. Promise. Oh, looks like it is boiling already. It is. No salt. I'm also going to put some of this. Oh, I have some chili. Let's put some chili. Also have some of this vegetable and egg. And when I come back, for sure that's cooked already. Look at that, it's very fast. It's already 3:15. Okay, this is my lunch. I'm still going to eat tonight. Hey yo, good evening guys. Oh, look at this. I'm not sure if my account is hacked because I didn't comment this one. Yes, so I'm erasing it. Yeah, I didn't comment this, but it is me. I mean, it is my name. I don't know. So now I'm checking all the comments. Look at this. Oh, man. Sorry, man. Sorry. Okay. Look at this. Yeah, all of this is I didn't comment this one. I'm going to remove it. And to pair you MC, you replied to this. Yeah, I'm going to erase this.
Breaking news.
Okay, I'm going to check if it's still there, those comments. Yeah, I'm thinking of this one. I'm sure it is spam. It's like they are making their own conversation, their own comment conversation. Okay, those okay. Yeah, I need to check my account. Maybe my account is hacked already. Okay, so far I don't see any sign that I am being hacked. I already disabled the comment section on that particular video. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, already 2:30 when I finish my duty, and yeah, we are going home now. I am very hungry, very thirsty, and tired. Yeah, very busy during the lunch service because we have one big group, and then at the same time there are some a la carte order. They are all in the same time. Yeah, made me really busy. Rafael and Chef was helping me already. Normally when it is not busy, they are doing their things and I am taking care of the service. That's why I'm going straight to the house. Okay, I'm home and it's already 5 minutes to 3 o'clock. Yeah, it looks like it is going to rain. Actually, during my break time there was a little rain, and now it's cloudy. And I'm preparing my meal. This is the leftover from yesterday, and the rice is reheating. Oh, last night I experienced something scary. So basically I posted last night the video about the cryptocurrency on my YouTube channel, and then later on I saw one word comment from one person, and then after his comment there are many replies. That is not yeah, it's unusual. And then later on I check again all the messages, all the comments, and I noticed that I have comments that I didn't do. And yo, good morning guys, it's already 8 o'clock, and yeah, my duty today is 2 o'clock. Yesterday and the previous 2 days I work breakfast. Then today will be dinner service. We're going to heat it. I'm going to reheat this, and I have this. I quickly cooked it last night. Yeah, I was cravings for noodles. It is actually raining when I wake up, but I needed to do the laundry, so yeah, I did my laundry even if it is raining, and now it's done. Okay, this is my meal, and you know it is cold. The temperature is less than 20 degrees. Yeah, it is raining today. Since morning it was raining just like this. My duty today is supposed to be at 2 o'clock, but Chef called me. Yeah, I received a call at around 10:30, and this is how it is today. Yeah, everything is wet. I was awake since 6 o'clock, hoping that Chef is going to call me to come by 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, so that I'll be going home early, and then I'll go to Canberra. Yeah, tonight or tomorrow morning I need to go to Canberra for the wedding of John and Charlene, and I will be going there by just public transportation, taking the bus, taking the train, and then bus or maybe train again going to Canberra. This is how it is today. The water is color gray, like the color of the skies, color gray. In case you're wondering if this things that I am wearing is really waterproof, yeah, it is really waterproof. This one is the jacket coming from Kmart, and it's waterproof. Also this trouser that I am using, this one is coming from Anaconda, and it is also waterproof. And my backpack also has a rain cover that is also waterproof. And of course my shoes, I am wearing the tradie shoes, and it is waterproof. Yeah, it is proven that it's waterproof because I use it during my bike packing way back in 2019, and then sometime in the last few months ago I also did some bike packing, and then I was trapped in the rain. I was wearing this and I was dry inside. According to the forecast, today is the only day that is going to be rainy. Tomorrow will be good sunny. Why can't this feeling just fade away? It's such a shame, my world apart. Now there are many people there. They are tourists. They come here during the rainy time.